All right, let's see how you did on your own for these first 3 practice problems. So the slope here is a -3/5. That's telling me to go down and right. Or you may have said it's telling you to go up and left. As long as you have one of these, you were right. And then the y-intercept is 8. So y-intercept first. Go to the y-axis, go straight up to 8. Then I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you couldn't go up and left if you wanted to because it's too high up already. So we have to go down and right. And we'll do that again. Down, 1, 2, 3, to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just made it. We're going to connect these. Ooh. And we're going to add our arrow, and that is what the first line looks like. Practice problem 2. Slope, +4/5. That means up and right, or down and left. Y-intercept is -8. Start with the y-intercept, go to the y-axis, go straight down to -8. Starting from this point, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you couldn't go down and left because there wouldn't be room. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect the points with the line. Draw your arrows because lines have arrows. That's practice problem 2. Last one. Now this one is the opposite. I've given you the graph and you need to find the equation. This is what your exit ticket will look like because you can't graph for me, so you're going to have to find the correct graph. So we're going to look at the graph and we're going to find the y-intercept first. So following this line, where does it cross? Right here at -4. So the y-intercept is -4. Just with this information, I'm going to cross out the answer choices that don't work. So answer choice A says the y-intercept is 3. And answer choice B says the y-intercept is +4, but it's -4. So now I know it's either C or D. They have the correct y-intercept. So one of them says the slope is positive, and one says the slope is negative. So looking at this line, I don't know what the slope is, but I know this is a positive sloping line. So without finding the slope, I know that choice C is the correct answer. And just to prove it, if I go up 1, 2, 3, and then to the right 1, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. So the slope is 3. Y-intercept is -4. Sometimes you don't have to find everything if you start eliminating answer choices with what you do know. You're going to do 3 more, and then it'll be time for your exit ticket.